What's up, y'all? Welcome to Redneck Wrench Customs. In today's video, we're outside. I'm going to be showing y'all a old-timers trick on how to preserve your mower. Maybe make it last a little bit longer. We're outside, so road noise, we'll have that. Now, I've got my Cub Cadet here. Now, this is not the newest mower, but it's also not the oldest mower. But, as you can notice, it's kind of my storage spot. But it's had running issues in the past because I've been stupid with it. But I'm going to show you how you can make it better. Let's start it up here. So you can see, it runs good. But what if we can make it run better for free? So I'm gonna show you this little old-timers trick that I learned from the interwebs, and I have used with great results on other engines. Let's do it. So as you can see here, I've got this cup of water. All it is tap water, solo cup. So all you're gonna do is take your air box off. Remove your air filter, and you have direct access into here. Now I'm gonna take this water, set it in the cup holder, and I'm gonna start the mower up. Let it run at partial throttle to warm it up. So I took it back down to idle. And I'm going to take the water, set it right here, and I'm going to pour it in. I'll show you exactly how. Full throttle. It died. That's perfectly fine. Well, folks, that's literally all it takes. Just a little bit of water, a cup, and you can get your mower running better. Now, real quick, I'll take just a second to talk about what this did. Gas produces a lot of carbon buildup whenever it burns, so it can get stuck on the valves, get stuck on the cylinder heads, and it can also cause something called dieseling. You might have experienced this where you shut off your mower but it kept running. That's carbon buildup that's acting almost as a glow plug, so it's staying glowing red and helping ignite that fuel. But after this, you shouldn't have to worry about that. And you don't want to do this too often, but a little bit won't hurt. Put your air filter back on, air box. You're done. Let's see how this sounds, and we're done.